Get strong.
Hi, I'm Amelia, and I'm making tacos today. First, we have to brown the burger. I'm using 1 pound of pork. So right now we're browning it in a pan on medium temperature. So that's about it right now. We'll come back in a second. There. So, if you have beef, you want to drain the fat that's in there, but since we're using pork, there isn't that much. So you're going to add your taco seasoning with 2/3 cup of water, or is it 1/3? Hold on. Yeah, it's 2/3 cup of water. So yeah. You stir it together. After this, you want to bring it to a boil, and so when it gets to a boil, we'll show you what's happening. We're cutting it up so we can put it in a bowl for our tacos. Here you go, that's the tomatoes. And that's pretty much all you do with lettuce. And that's, it was the lettuce. Just put it in a bowl. You can save it later. So our taco meat has now been brought to a boil. We're going to bring it down to a simmer and let it simmer for 5 minutes. And while it's simmering, we are going to warm up our taco shells, because I didn't want to make taco shells. So we got to wait for that to cook. Once your shell is to your desired temperature, you can add all of the ingredients together and eat it. No, that's about it. Tomatoes. Really for my sister.
Well, it's recording. You gotta get it higher. Boy, you're crooked.
I don't know.
Your recording skills.
Okay, go.
It better be good.
Go!
strong.